Let's sing. Shout out nga pala sa aking Super LUV STARS. Layo ko ng konti ito. Okay. Shout out to all my Super LUV STARS, to the Moon family, and Snow family. May naka-livestream ba ako? Nag-live lang ako ng diretso. Okay, let's see. Ayun. Reserve. Oops. Ito ka nang lang. Ayan. Love me with all of your heart. Start. Testing my voice.
Love me with all of your heart. That's what I want. Love me with all of your heart, and not at all. Just promise me that you leave me all your kisses, every winter, every summer, every fall. When we are far apart, or when you're near, love me with all your heart, and start love me. Don't give me your love for a moment or an hour. Love me always as you love me from the start, with every beat of your heart.
Wala akong nakikita. Shout out sa dalawa nandiyan. Ito na, ito yan. Shout out, parang ganda lang sa'yo. Parang
just promise me that you'll leave me all your distance, every winter, every summer, every fall. When we are far apart, or when you're near me, love me with all of your heart, as I love you. Don't leave me for a moment or an hour. Love me always as you love me from the start, with every beat of your heart.
ay, hindi ba Deros? Ang saksakangan. Yay! Naka 100. Si Sana din pink. Alright. Dedicated sa aking lolo. Dedicated siya sa favorite song niya to. Evening song.
Please